Welcome back to the Jacked Racing YouTube channel. Welcome back to the shop. We're getting everything ready to go for our next race, which is going to be at Auburndale Speedway in about a week and a half from now. But for now, we're getting everything put together from our World Series incident, I guess you could say, the tough nights we had there. We're pretty much getting things back together right now. Let me show you what we're working on. We've got the old clutch out that was having some slippage trouble. We got a new flywheel pressure plate and clutch disc. Hopefully that's going to help us get that motor and transmission running right. We got the steering shaft fix. If you know why that broke, you know, but if you don't, go check out my last couple of videos and watch that whole drama story. Anyways, moving on from that. We're getting things back together. We're going back quarter mile racing. We're excited to get back to Auburndale. We were running really good last time we were there, so we're hoping to just keep building on that momentum, keep going forward, and hopefully have a good showing for ourselves. So let's get to work and see what we got going on. If you've been watching for a while, you know Dad likes to come up with some creative inventions to help make life easier in the shop, and he's done it again. You see right here, he has built a homemade transmission adapter for our floor jack here that holds the transmission so one person can get the transmission in and out, and you don't have to just sit there and bench press the whole thing the entire time you install it. Looks pretty good to me. He said it worked really well. He was able to get the transmission out by himself while I was at work the other day, and hopefully we're going to be able to get this thing in nice and easy now that we've got this to support the weight. So check it out. Gotta work smarter, not harder. Okay, you ready for me to come down there?
I believe I am.
Okay.
And what we kind of need to do is, I'm going to exaggerate.
Sure.
We need the back end of the transmission to just go up a little bit.
Sure.
And then the
Can I
transmission
push this up and then tighten your bolt up to
Yes.
lift the back end up?
That'll help.
How high do you need it?
Yeah, about like that. Okay. We might need to take the, no, that should be about right. And then, like, it's angled too much, I'm exaggerating, but it's angled too much like that.
So the tail needs to go left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, you want me to slide the jack a little bit? I can just slide the butt of the jack over.
Oh, yeah, try that.
It's on a swivel, that's not as easy.
Okay, let me see. Hang on. Oh, that's really close. You can see, like now.
Can you get a bolt started?
I can. What I wanted to make sure was we had like really good alignment before I started trying to torque on the bolt.
Well, can you get it at least started without torquing on it?
Yeah.
Okay. By pulling it in, you mean getting the impact on it and blasting it as hard as we can?
Something slightly less.
A little less barbaric.
Less barbaric than that, yeah. Might need the back end of the jack up again a little bit.
Okay, I can do that. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I might be maxed out.
Okay, that might be okay.
I got like a half a thread more. Unless you want me to try and stick something in the back there.
Just lower the transmission jack just a little bit.
Okay.
Just a touch. Can
Try
you
to
do that?
that delicately.
Yeah. Just like a little tiny bit. Did it move?
I think so.
Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, it may have. I was hoping it would slide in a little more on its own, but it's so close over here, we might just have to pull it in with the bolt. Okay, I gotta find the other bolt.
Is it over here?
And a 5/8 wrench. Okay, I'm gonna need like a 5/8 wrench. Do you have any? Nothing over there. Oh wait, I got a socket.
Thank goodness.
Should.
Snugging up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now that the transmission's back in, you can kind of see the better look at this device Dad made up here. This is the really cool part right here. It's got an adjustment, so when the tail shaft of the transmission is sitting on it, you can tighten and loosen this bolt to raise the back end up and down, so you kind of have a lot of maneuverability with it. Honestly, for a home-built little device, that's pretty nifty. Alright, the transmission's in. We're going to give her a little test run here up in the air to make sure everything's hooked up right. I got a good clutch. Just kind of, you know, do a stupid check here before we get too far. So let's make a little bit of noise. Sorry, neighbors, and check this all out.
For 10-15 seconds, then depress the clutch and see if you can shift into gear.
Okay.
And let the clutch out. Shift slowly, because if the clutch isn't disengaging, it's gonna grind.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Clutch in, start it. Clutch in. I'm in gear. 12-1. Alright, the truck fires up, runs good. Next thing I'm going to do is start painting some new rims that we have out here to match our quarter mile look, since we're going quarter mile racing. I'm not going to tell you what color it is. Oops. Just kidding. It's not that big of a secret. It's the same color as the roll cage, but I think it's going to look pretty slick. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these rims out here. I'm going to do what you're really not supposed to do and paint in the dark, so don't nobody go looking too close to my truck. It's a 100-mile-an-hour paint job. It only looks good when it goes by you at 100. So let's get this paint on and beautify this machine. Okay, honestly not bad for a paint job in the dark. These are going to look pretty cool up on the truck here. Yep, I like it. Somebody's happy that Dad's done working on the race car. Roman! Oh. Roman, come here! Come here! If you're watching this at this point, leave a comment. Take a guess how old Roman is. How old are you, buddy? Don't tell him. That's going to wrap it up for now. I know this was kind of a quick video. I just wanted to show you what we're working on after the World Series and what we're doing to get ready for our next race. So check back at the end of the week. Hopefully we'll be at Auburndale Speedway on Friday, do a little bit of testing, try and sneak a few runs in there to see if we got all this working right, and get ready to go for next weekend when we go for 50 laps of action. It's always action over there at Auburndale Speedway. So I'm excited to get back on track and actually hopefully race in a race. That would be really cool. We tried twice last weekend and didn't get to do that at all. So anyways, hopefully we get to do some racing and redeem ourselves and get a way better start to the 2023 season. But thanks for checking out the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you at the track real soon.